ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोर्श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोर्न वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सागररघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामये। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। जयतां सुरतो पंगो मौ मंदमतिर्गति मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्भोजौ राधा मदर मोहनौ दिव्य वृंदारण्यकल्पद्रुमादः श्रीमद्रत्नागार सिंहासनस्थो श्रीमद् राधा श्रील गोविंद देवो प्रेष्ठालिभि सेव्यमानो स्मरामि। श्रीमान् रासरसारम्भे वंशी वटतटस्थितः कर्षन् वेणु स्वनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रियस्तु नः। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम्। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। This is a narration. This is this narration of various benefits, and narration of great mercy. So the story name is Falashruti, Bhagavata Falashruti. Means what are the benefits of hearing Bhagavatam? The story's name. So in every scriptures we will find Falashruti. Falashruti means Phala means fruit. Phala means fruit. Shruti means hearing. So what is benefit? What is phala? What is Sravana phala? So that's why, for example, when Arjuna was confused about his duty, he heard Bhagavad Gita, and because of the Sravana phala, he became Kartavya Parayana. His illusion got removed, and he said, "No, I am ready to fight. I am ready to carry out whatever duty." So that is Sravana phala, means by hearing Bhagavad Gita, his doubt got destroyed, his anxiety gone, and his fearfulness gone, and his illusion is gone. So similarly, when Shukadeva Goswami told Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj, he said that now my ajnana is destroyed, my fearfulness gone, I am no more fearful, like that he mentioned. So in the Shukadeva Goswami, that's why this is called Sravana phala. So similarly, when we hear the entire Bhagavatam, so we'll get some phala that we don't know, depending on what phala we want. And at different contexts, in different contexts, we'll see Shukadeva Goswami, Asuta Goswami are giving, by hearing this part of the Bhagavatam, you will get this benefit, like that they start giving. So these are all added into one story form. So first, this is only sample we are giving, not that only this much is given. There are many stories. The first phala is Sarva Dukkha Vimukti, means freedom from all miseries. It is mentioned in the first canto itself. Janma guhyam bhagavato jayeta prayato naraha sayam prata grunan bhaktya dukkha gramad vimuchyate. So if anybody is hearing the pastimes of Krishna morning and evening very carefully in a form of vrata, then surely he will be freed from all miseries without any doubt. If somebody says that, okay, for 1 month I will regularly hear, of course one should hear whole life. Whole life hearing is different. That's good. But when you are taking a vrata is different. Vrata means a more systematic, focused with all austerity. For example, okay, I want to hear for 1 month Krishna story, 2 hours or 1 hour every day, morning and evening, and I'll take only one time food. I will not, I'll keep myself cool. I will not abuse anybody. I'll not talk about anybody else. I will be very polite. I'll worship Lord. If all you put it with main story hearing for 1 month, that is called vrata. And you will see that all your miseries are washed out. For your regular, that is for a phala. Whereas when you are hearing Bhagavatam every day, that is for your enlightenment. Enlightenment is different, urgency is different. When there is an urgency, where some calamity is there, you should sit down, take a vrata and take Bhagavatam and finish off it and get back to your normal and start relishing. So when there is some anxiety is there, you can't start relishing. Now there is a great urgency is there. So that's why these vratas are given. That's why when you see the Kashyapa Muni was giving Pumsavana vrata, or sometimes she is giving Payo vrata. So it was told to Diti, okay, you do it for 1 year, whereas for Aditi it was only 12 days you do it. So it all depends on the context. But the process is that if you hear Krishna's pastimes morning and evening in a butter very religiously, Sarva Dukkha Vimukti. This is one of the points. Next, second Falashruti is given of the things is Supreme Lord getting pleased. So we, for example, we always will be anxious that, oh, my boss should be pleased with me, that he should give me good ranking, or my Guru Maharaj should be pleased. Like that we think. Because if the superiors get pleased with us, they will give blessing. They give good ranking, good increments, good positions. So if Supreme Lord is pleased, then, oh, he can do anything. He can give me back to God. So, but how Supreme Lord can be pleased? For that, Bhagavatam is giving a process. So the Shukadeva Goswami has given a hint in the 3rd canto. In the 3rd canto, the narration of Varaha Bhagavan, the appearance of Lord Varaha and Hiranyaksha Vadha was described. And he also the lifting the earth from Rasatala, and after lifting this Rasatala, the Supreme Lord keeps the earth and goes back. And Shukadeva Goswami says that whoever hears this beautiful story of Varaha Bhagavan, Mangala Katha, and with such people, the Supreme Lord Janardana gets pleased. Suppose if you want, I want Supreme Lord to be pleased with me, then we should simply hear Varaha Avatar. If you want Prasannata of Supreme Lord, then you should hear the Ars. Varaha Avatar ki kahani sunna chahiye. Then the Lord becomes, Janardana becomes very pleased. And if he is pleased, all your desires will be fulfilled. That is the Falashruti is given. And if somebody says that, okay, I want to get rid of all my sins and I want all opulences, that is Sarva Papahara and Sarvaishwarya Pradayaka. So this also comes straight away from Varaha Avatar. The Shukadeva Goswami not only gives that Lord will be pleased, at the same time he said that whoever is hearing this Varaha Avatara and who is narrating the Varaha Avatara, and whoever hears and feels very happy, bliss, oh, very good. Somebody says that such people will be relieved from any type of sin. Even Brahmahatya Pata, killing a Brahmana, also they will be just relieved. And they will get Aishwarya, they will get Yash, they will get Dirghayu, they will get all the Abhishta of life. and they can get unlimited form, is given by Shukadeva Goswami. So the Varaha avatars hearing as a special message are given into that one can get Lord gets pleased, Janardana gets pleased, and he would avoid all this. And devotee, somebody say that okay, I want get Krishna Bhakti, I want get strong Krishna Bhakti, I want to really become strong. Then for them the Bhagavatam gives a process. That is, it is done in the Tritiya Skanda. The Tritiya Skanda, this is the story of Kapila Devahoti. And during discussion between Maitreya Rishi has told all the story to Vidura Mahatma, and he says that the story of Kapila Deva and his mother is very, very confidential. And whoever hears this story between them and the discussion of Sankhya, and whoever studies that, and they will become strong devotees of Lord Krishna who is having Garuda carry. If somebody wants devotion to Krishna, please hear the Kapila Bhagavan avatar and the discussion between Kapila and Devahoti, and get really the devotion, and they continue and they go back to God. And because that they got devotion because of the power of Kapila Bhagavan avatar, Shravana. That's why they are ensured that they will go back to God. Then comes another type, Sarvabhishta Siddhi. Sarvabhishta means all desires are fulfilled. So this is for this purpose the Dhruva Charitra is recommended in the 4th canto. And in this also Maitreya Rishi tells to Vidura, the Falashruti, that whoever hears the Dhruva Charitra, of course, first of all, Dhruva Charitra should be narrated without taking any remuneration, and it should be glorified only in the presence of the very devotees. And whoever is hearing and whoever is here speaking, they get all perfection. And by hearing this, all demigods get pleased. So definitely, as we have seen, the Markandeya Rishi, Lord Shiva and wife both became happy, and they wanted, without asking, they came and gave some boon and gone. So when all demigods are pleased, and it happens that they will fulfill everything, whatever you want, and all the sins are destroyed, and all samsara kleshas are destroyed, and not only that, they will be endowed with all great qualities of Dhruva Maharaj. So in this way, Sarvabhishta Siddhi will be coming from hearing Dhruva Maharaj Charitra. And then comes, if somebody wants to, I want to surely go to Vaikuntha, or I want to see that all inauspiciousness is destroyed, I want to see always auspiciousness. So for that purpose, Prithu Maharaj story is recommended. It is mentioned that whoever very attentively hears the Prithu Maharaj story, they will surely go to Vaikuntha. And by hearing of the Prithu Maharaj story, Brahmana will become the topmost Brahmana. He becomes Brahmana Tvasiti, and the Kshatriya become the emperor. He becomes king of the entire planet, and the Vaishya become the having highest Pashu Sampada. He will get the biggest opulence, and Shudra will become Bhavagavad Bhakta, and all Amangalas will be destroyed. All Amangalas will be destroyed by Prithu Maharaj. That is the great. Then somebody wants, I want to avoid going to hell. I wanted to just avoid going to hell. Is there any chance? So in Srimad Bhagavatam, it recommends in the 6th canto that Ajamila Charitra. If somebody hears the Ajamila Charitra, the Shukadeva Goswami said, this Ajamila Charitra, in this we have heard, this Ajamila, simply by chanting Narayana unknowingly at the end, he got the darshan of Vishnu Dutas, and Vishnu Dutas came, and objected for the action of the Yamadutas, and they are given second chance. The Ajamila was given second chance, and he went in a divine plane to the spiritual world. So this story of Ajamila is very, very confidential, and also it is a completely sinful destruction. I mean, this leads to the destruction of compulsive sinful activities. And whoever hears this one, let him be a greatest sinner of the topmost sinner of the sinners. Even then he will not fall into hell. That is the power of hearing Ajamila Charitra. And a person who heard this Ajamila Charitra and constantly hears also, Yamadutas will never look at him, even by mistake. By mistake also they never look at him. And such person will definitely go to the spiritual abode. In this way, the Falashruti about is given. And if somebody wants, I want to get rid of karma bandhana, because everybody is worried about my karma because of my previous karma. Our devotees keep on saying that, my karma, my karma, my karma. So, but in Bhagavatam is clearly mentioned, bhava bandha is complete. How it will be destroyed? Is that simply by hearing Prahlad Maharaj. Tomorrow we are going to hear our Lord Narasimha's appearance. So we have heard about Prahlad Maharaj, everything, and yesterday Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Gopalakrishna Maharaj also nicely narrated Prahlad Maharaj story, and we also heard Prahlad Maharaj story. I was also narrating yesterday in the temple. So what is the power of, what is the Stravana Phala of Prahlad Maharaja and Lord Narasimha? This comes in the 7th canto, and it is said that whoever hears the Prahlad Maharaj story and glorifies him, he will be removed, he will be given relief from bhava bandha. Bhava bandha means punarapi jaranam punarapi maranam. After leaving the body, taking birth, again take, it's called bhava bandha. So the cycle, the karmic cycle will be destroyed immediately by hearing Prahlad Maharaj. Just imagine. So instead of my karma, my karma is there, my karma is there, my karma is there. Instead of that, you better hear Prahlad Maharaj story. Hear. Then you understand, oh, now I have no karma at all. You will come to that conclusion. Because you are not hearing, you are repeatedly saying that. And it is clearly mentioned that by Lord Narasimha's Leela Shravana, by simply Prahlad story, see, Prahlad story is one part, Narasimha story, Narasimha Swami story is different. So it's simply by hearing Prahlad story itself, you will be freed from the bhava bandhana. And when you hear the Narasimha Shravana, then you will be reaching to the Chinta Rahita Adhyatmika Kshetra. Means you will go to a distress-free spiritual world without doubt. That is the power of hearing the, and the Stravana Phala of Narasimha Leela is that the person will go to a place that is called spiritual world, which is free of Chinta Rahita, Chintamani Dhama, will go to the spiritual world. Then, somebody may say a lot of Kali Yuga is there, how to really get rid of this Kali Yuga dosha. So, how to get rid of the Kali Yuga dosha? The process is given in the 8th canto, Gajendra Moksha. Somebody who hears the Gajendra Moksha, and they will become eligible. They will become eligible to go to heavenly planets also, and they become very, very famous as devotee. Oh, is a great devotee. If you want to be stamped as, oh, great devotee, hear Gajendra Moksha story again and again. Then everybody will take, oh, he's a great devotee. And Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, if you are glorified as Krishna's devotee, and that is really good thing. And one more special, two more special things about Gajendra Moksha hearing is one will not be affected by Kali Yuga doshas. And other important is they will not have any bad dreams, dusswapna nashana. Suppose if somebody is getting affected by Kali Yuga, what is Kali Yuga dosha? Fighting. Both jagda chal raha hai. So please hear Gajendra Moksha, then fighting will go. I am becoming more too much greedy, Kali Yuga affected. Then you read Gajendra Moksha. I am becoming too much, getting angry nowadays, very short tempered, Gajendra Moksha. Nowadays, just say, the moment I sleep it, I get some bad dream. Here Gajendra Moksha. So in that way recommended. Then somebody is somebody says that I make so many efforts, but all at the end they fail. What to do? So the recommended process, whatever yatna you do, if you want perfection and complete success in that, there is a process. That is, please hear Shira Sagara Mathana Vrittanta. If you hear Shira Sagara Mathan, whatever the whole story happened, if you hear that one very attentively, very carefully, with all confidence, then whatever efforts you take up, whatever project you take up, they will be successful, guarantee, without any fail. And you will be wonder how it's happening, because we discussed that the Kshetrasagara Mathana what became possible because of Kurma Bhagavan. Kurma Bhagavan was inside and made whole thing possible. So you don't know how it is happening. You did only one thing, you are endeavoring and you are coming home and you are hearing Kshetrasagara Mathana. That's it. You are hearing and doing, and the job is done, finished. How it has happened, you don't know. That is great. That is great power of that. And that's why the process, the Supreme Lord's activity is the best method to really alleviate all the difficulties in the world. And if somebody says that whenever any activity, whether it's pious activity, impious activity, or social activity, I want to see that everything becomes successful, everything becomes auspicious. There should not be any obstructions, there should not be any failures. Then recommended process is Vamana Charitam. One should read Vamana Charitam. Because as a human being, as a social person, or in the society, we have to do so many activities. We have to perform marriages, we have to perform Upanayana, we have to perform Aksharabhyasa, we have to perform marriages, we have to perform Gruha Pravesha, or sometimes one has to perform Pinda Pradhana, so many things, everything, all activities one has to do. So it is recommended that any activity, let it be, during that process, if you read Vamana Charitam, if you hear that, then that activity becomes auspicious. And that becomes completely Mangalamaya, and it goes for perfection. And whether it is Devakarya, Devata Karya, or Pitru Karya, or Sanghika Karya, like marriage, this and that, all activities become completely successful and perfect simply by hearing Vamana Charitra. This is another great Falashruti given in Srimad Bhagavatam. Then somebody says, whatever sankalpa I made some sankalpa, I want the sankalpa should be perfect. After 25 years I want to do this, some sankalpa somebody is making. How can you ensure that sankalpa will be performed? So it is mentioned in the 8th canto that whoever hears attentively the story of Matsya, that is Matsya Avatar story, we have heard that is a great personality, that Satyavrata Muni, Satyavrata Raja, and he got the association of Matsyadev, Matsya Avatar, and he has become in the next life Vaivasvata Manu. And whoever hears that story, how he both dealt, the Matsya Avatar Kada, and the person will be free from all sins. At the same time, all his sankalpa, they become perfect. If somebody wants, I want 7 Nobel Prizes, no problem. You keep on hearing Matsya Avatar story and you will become. It will be fulfilled. All your desires will be fulfilled. Like that, whatever, anything. So this is the, and if somebody wants, I want to go back to Godhead, no problem. You also hear Matsya Avatar. You will go to back to God. Any sankalpa, you have to make, it is not, my desire is different, my sankalpa is different. Desire and sankalpa, two different. Sankalpa means for any, suppose before any vrata, you make sankalpa. Sankalpa means for this purpose, for this fun, for this cause, on this day, I am so and so, so and so, so and so, I am doing in front of all people for this purpose. It's called sankalpa. Very declared, with mantra, with akshata, with the brahmana, in front of God, whatever is declared, that is called sankalpa. Sankalpa. So the sankalpa siddhi will be happening by hearing the Matsya Avatar story. And towards enviousness. Enviousness is the biggest problem in this material world, and Bhagavatam, people, if you want to really understand Bhagavatam, one should be free from enviousness. It is called Matsarya Roga. Matsarya Roga. So Shukadeva Goswami said that if anybody wants to get relieved from this Matsarya Roga, enviousness is they should hear Lord Rama's story, Rama Katha. If somebody is hearing very attentively the stories of Lord Ramachandra, then he will be free from enviousness. So we have all diseases are there and solutions are also there. But problem is there that all diseases we are aware of, but all solutions we are not aware of. But Bhagavatam is giving the entire picture that for which disease, which medicine. And for all medicines, all these medicines like we take from mouth. So whereas these medicines are only from ears. You should keep on hearing, take this medicine like this. This is gone. Take this medicine, gone. Take this medicine, gone. So this medicine is from the ears, not from. So all the problems are gone. So then, oh, this is very good. But I want attachment to Krishna. Bhakti is okay. I want attachment to Krishna. I want to love him. I want to love him. Okay, that is gone. Then you better hear story of Krishna killing Putana. Oh, so you want love of Krishna? Very good. So why don't you hear Krishna killing Putana? So Shukadeva Goswami is saying, anybody who is hearing Krishna killing Putana repeatedly, then they will Govinde labhite param. So Govindo mama jivanam. It comes there. Oh, Govinda is my life and soul. You will come to that consciousness. If you have really strong desire that really I want love of Krishna, I want to love him, then you repeatedly hear read story of Krishna killing Putana. Simple, one leela enough, that will give you love of God. You keep on reading, keep on hearing, keep on meditating, keep on aspiring to hear from different people, different Maharaj, like that. But your goal is clear, I want love, and you know the medicine. What is that medicine? So in that way. And next is somebody is having lusty desires. Oh, this lusty desire is actually killing me. I came to know that in the material world, unless the lusty desires go out, I cannot go to Krishna. How to really go out? So Shukadeva Goswami said that very simple. You simply hear Ras Leela. You please simply hear Ras Leela from realized souls. You please simply hear Ras Leela story from realized soul with a strong desire that I want to get rid of this lusty desire. When you have strong desire, sing path, it will be ensured that all lusty desire, the Hrud Kama Roga will be destroyed completely from the heart. And then when the Kama is gone, then comes Prema. When the Prema is gone, Kama is there. When the Kama is destroyed, Prema will come. And in this world, we will find that everybody wants to defame everybody. They try to put a lot of rumors on you and this and that, so which are very common because of that bad name spreads. So if somebody wants to get rid of that defaming, if somebody wants to get rid of the bad rumors about you or people in the world, they have a wonderful story of Samantakamani. How Krishna brought Samantakamani and removed his rumors on him, and how he married Satyabhama, and how he finally gave it back to Satyajit, how Satyajit was killed by other people, and again how Krishna put it back. That pertain to the story, Samantakamani story. If somebody hears, then immediately he will be freed from all the defaming. If defaming is coming for whatever reason, for whatever effect, for all our previous karma, whatever it is, don't get worried. Don't talk about, don't do here and there. Just sit down, meditate, and hear Krishna's story of Samantakamani repeatedly. Hear, read continuously, and ask a great Vaishnava, sincere Vaishnava, to come and narrate. So hear in front of him, give him nice prasadam, everything. Like that, repeatedly do it, and automatically, miraculously, you come out of that defaming and you become more famous. So that is the power of Samantakamani. And finally, Krishna, Shukadeva Goswami also said, if somebody wants Goloka, okay, even is also good, but we want to Goloka, then they say we have no other than the one, because you are not saying Vaikuntha, this or that, you are Goloka. They said you have to hear Krishna Leelas every day. You have to hear Krishna's Leelas, you have to sing Krishna Leelas, you have to meditate on Krishna Leelas, and even last second also you are only thinking of Krishna, then you will go to Goloka. So entire 10th canto, if you keep on hearing, if you can memorize 100, 200 slokas, keep on saying or convert into some 100 songs, all Krishna Leelas, keep on singing, then your next destination, forget about next destination, now itself you are in Goloka, and your next destination is definitely Goloka only. And if somebody wants liberation, okay, I'm not so much urgency to go to Goloka, but I want to be very peaceful and moksha, then for them the recommended is Uddhava Gita. A person, because all are not so much interested in Goloka, some jnanis are there, oh we have pursued lot of jnana, but we are not very sure we are get moksha or not. Then we can tell the problem for you, there is a chapter is there in Bhagavatam, that is Uddhava Gita. Uddhava Gita, you will get liberated, no problem. So we can recommend for him. So Uddhava Gita is clearly mentioned that who is reading Uddhava Gita, he will have perfect jnana, and he will be situated in the Atma platform, and he will be liberated. He will be liberated of whatever moksha, sarupya, samipya, sayujya, sarsti, whatever mukti you want, one will get. And kamya karma, also, for example, if somebody is constantly engaged in some activity, karma, phala, karma, phala, karma, phala, and for such people, if they constantly hear the Markandeya Rishi story, if they read Markandeya story constantly, they will be freed from this kamya karma phala. In that way, different phalashrutis are given. Essentially, these are like that. If you go to a sweet shop, there are so many sweets, hundreds of varieties. You don't know which sweets to collect, buy. Then he will keep on giving you a piece. Why don't you taste this? Why don't you taste this? Why don't you? So by tasting, after we feel that is very good. Oh, give me 2 kilos, 5 kilos, like that. So whatever I spoke is basically sample. It's only sample. So it's just like, oh, it appears very tasty. Oh, give me 1 kilo, like that. You can, after hearing this, you can go and temple ask, oh, give me 2 sets of Bhagavatam, or give me 3 sets of Bhagavatam, like that. You'll go and buy, like in sweet shop we buy 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. We can go and buy 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, and distribute it home. And along with sets, you can make a good shelf also. For wife 1 shelf, for child 1 shelf, for you 1 shelf. If some guest comes, keep ready 1 guest shelf. Guest भी आ गए, उसके लिए भी एक बना के रखना चाहिए. So ऐसे 4-5 sets I have. Then you are actually into the Goloka. In this way, by reading each and every chapter, each and every Leela, we will be so much blessed, and life becomes so much Mangalamaya. And Srila Prabhupada is wonderful to all of us. Let's make our life blissful and make everybody's life blissful. thereby will increase the glories of our acharyas, increase the name, fame of our acharyas, and give great bliss to Krishna, Madan Mohan, and attract more and more millions, hundreds and millions of people towards Krishna, and become happy.